पीछे 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 रुके ना पीछे वेट वेट क्या जी एक सोलो सोलो एक सोलो यहाँ पे कियारा जी यहाँ पे अरे भाई वेट वेट कियारा जी यहाँ पे देखिए ना मैं कियारा जी इधर लेफ्ट कियारा जी वेट वेट कियारा जी वेट वेट कियारा जी बस बस
Thank you all for being here today. It's so special because Kimirica has been one brand that's been very very close to my heart right from the day I met all of them, all four of them. I just knew that there was some connection and there was something special that had to be brought together. And to see the first flagship store in Mumbai, in my city, finally just feels like I have to be here, of course, and I'm so excited because now you can get that experience in person. I mean, I'm someone who's always walking into the stores at airports, and I keep telling them, when am I going to get it in my city? So here it is. I think my wish has been granted. So thank you guys.
The energy here has never been this high. The moment you walked in, you had everybody kind of wanting to be here. And now that you're here, I love how people are shouting your name and screaming at top of their lungs. So guys, are you excited that Kiara is here? Now may I please request Kimi ma'am to present a bouquet, a token of appreciation to Kiara and welcome her officially here. So now, I have just one question for you, Kiara. How would you describe your association with Kimirica? And what is so special about Kimirica that you chose to be the brand ambassador for us? It's been 2 years now. What excited you to be associated with Kimirica?
So I'm going to share this story. I think much before they reached out to me, I had already seen the brand, I had already shopped their products, and I just fell in love with the packaging. I just felt like, and I'm somebody who indulges in, like bath and body products. I feel a beautiful smelling hand wash, lotions. It's also it's such a wonderful gift, and I feel when I saw their packaging and I saw their products and I experienced it, I was like, here's a story that is one of a kind and is completely made in India and has standards which are global. And I don't know what it was. I don't know whether I had put it out in the universe or what. And shortly after that, we met in Mumbai, and they took me through the entire process of how there are how literally from a germ to like selling this product to you, from the inception to the manufacturing to this marketing to the packaging to the whole story behind Kimirica. I feel like there's so much purity infused in it. They're so knowledgeable about the ingredients, about everything that's going into their vegan products. The notes are beautiful. Everything is so. It's safe, it's fresh, it's natural, and you feel that way when you use it. So here was a brand that I felt we were waiting for, as for an Indian brand to be like that at par. And these four amazing human beings have come together and given us that. So I think this association truly is one for the ages now.
She said for the brand Kimirica. Thank you so much for that, Kiara. Visionary entrepreneurs, Kimi Jain, Rika Jain, Mohit R&D team create fragrances that makes every Kimirica product a sensory experience. Mr. Rajat Jain, everybody. Up next we have Mr. As a passionate marketer and a serial entrepreneur, he has been the driving force behind Kimirica's transformation into a world-renowned brand. His commitment to creating unforgettable brand experiences and his pivotal role in the product design, planning and marketing strategy has set new standards in the industry. Mr. Mohit Jain. And now we have Miss Kimi Jain here as well, the co-founder and head of brand experience at Kimerica. With a profound passion for storytelling, she brings the brand's concept of a story in every bottle to life, ensuring that every product offers a sensory journey from the moment you open the box to the moment you use it on your skin. Miss Kimi Jain, everybody. Woo! Now, last but not the least, the co-founder, Miss Rika Jain. Co-founder and head of quality assurance, system and process optimization at Kimerica. Miss Rika is the backbone of our brand, using her exceptional problem-solving skills to ensure a seamless production process. Under her leadership, Kimerica has grown from fulfilling local orders to shipping to over 25 countries, with each product undergoing more than 20 quality checks. Here we have Miss Rika Jain, everybody. And now, we have with us a personality who truly needs no introduction. Who do we have here? Kiara! Who is she? Kiara! Come on guys, energy. Kiara Advani is here.
सब कियारा को देख के खो गए एक्चुअली ये लोग ऐसे खो गए सर तो
The fans are mesmerized by looking at Kiara. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute pleasure to introduce to you somebody who truly needs no introduction. She is one of the most versatile and admired actresses in the Bollywood film industry, known for her grace, her talent and her effortless charm. From blockbuster films to being a style icon, she wins hearts everywhere she goes. She has been a very valuable part of our Kimerica family for the past 2 years. Today, she is here for this special moment, the grand inaugural ceremony of our new experiential store here in Mumbai. Miss Kiara Advani. Wonderful. So, saw you coming out of the store. How was your in-store experience? Was it luxurious enough for you? Was it immersive? How would you describe it?
But since you said rapid fire and she just reminded me there has to be a hamper, then they have to give it to me from the store. So I'm waiting for that. It was everything you said, luxurious, immersive. I think there's something very special for all of you when you go into the store to experience how everything has come alive, how all the fragrances of all the different notes, everything that they've conceptualized and how they brought it together and the story behind it. So that is something which I think the consumers are going to really enjoy when they go to the store. And what always catches my eye is the beautiful gift boxes, the different packaging for different occasions. It's just so beautiful. You don't want to open the box, you don't want to buy it and just keep it and keep staring at it. And I think, you're going to have a field day when you go shopping. So I'm so happy that the store is right here.
So now that Kiara has hinted towards hampers, guys, you're getting it? We must have some amazing hampers for our lovely Kiara Advani. And as you said that you love shopping on store instead of buying online, because again, when you go here and you see it yourself, you find what you truly like and you get that immersive experience. How would you describe Kimerica being here? How?
Well, firstly I'm a girl and I can shop anywhere, online, offline, in-store, everywhere. So I will still shop online even though, because by now I know all the, everything that they have, I know. But they keep coming out with newer bottles, newer collections, variations, in the different categories that they've come up with. So I think for that, coming to the store and experiencing it firsthand, like just trying on the lotion, like I just told her while we were in there, I said I'm so moisturized because I've tried on everything. So my skin feels, I'm really like shiny and nice and moisturized right now. But yeah, I think just having a store presence is always, I'm someone who likes that touch and feel factor. And here you go, you have so much variety to choose from. And it's just such a therapeutic experience, especially when you go inside and just take in the aroma and just all the beautiful products that we have. So I'm sure not just the women, even the men are going to really, really enjoy their experience shopping in the stores.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Have experienced that collection, and I'm sure she really loved it. We'll be sending a couple of bottles to her place to try and give her a true feedback on that. So basically at Kimerica what we try to do is capture moments and memories into a bottle, and that's why we call a story in every bottle. So all our collections like Viva, Love Story, Gulistan, French Note, each collection tells a unique story of all the experiences and moments that we have traveled in last so many years and captured in our fragrances. Like Viva is like India's first fragrance of wedding. So we have all your hand washes and shower gels made in those fragrances. So yes, yeah, thank you.
My next question is for Kimi ma'am and Rika ma'am. How do Mr. Rajat and Mr. Mohit feel about it?
I think you should ask them. But yeah, actually they are the one who are leading this with us, and they always help us in this. And I think मैं सच्चाई बताऊंगी, हम दोनों सारा काम करते हैं.
Both the sisters are kind of finding, praising for the brother.
So
also.
it's their vision which has made us grow from scratch to I think many more stores. I think not only in India, and will grow more.
Yes.
So it's their vision.
So me and Rajat always joke about this, कि ये हमारे father-in-law उस समय बड़े visionary रहे होंगे, और we thought कि अगर हम रजत मोहित शावर जेल बेच रहे होते तो कोई नहीं खरीद रहा था. So I think it all goes to our father-in-law who actually were very thoughtful of keeping these names, and we just simply combined it and it became this is what it is today.
And sometimes it is just destined, right? Kimi coming into Mohit's life, Rika coming into my life. Same background, so Mohit did his masters in marketing, Kimi a e-commerce MBA, Rika masters in pharmacy, I coming from the pharmacy background, loving to make all these products. So I think it was all destined that we entered into this industry. I was telling Kiara also right now that my first inspiration to enter into this industry was in Mumbai. So we just got a chance to stay at the Leela hotels in Mumbai, and I saw those beautiful bottles. And the man who really gave me that voucher to stay is also here with us. My Chaman Chacha
is here, yeah. He's the man,
Good round of applause for him, whatever we are. Thank you so much. So he gave Rika and I a voucher, and we just saw those beautiful products over there. And we conceptualized to make shampoo, lotion, conditioner, shower gel. And after that, from 2019-20 onwards, we started making it in retail. And again, that is destined that we have Kiara with us. No better I could see in the family. So whenever we go to mom, dad and kids also have, we want to have a face for Kimerica. Who can be the brand ambassador? Everybody's like Kiara. We only want Kiara. So
perfect.
Kimi, Rika, Kiara, that goes really well.
Perfect.
So that's
First time,
I believe.
Perfect, name perfect, brand perfect.
It would be a great collaboration working with her, and we really feel proud, and thanks also for whatever you have done for us in the last 2 years.
My pleasure. And I'd just like to add to that, I think like he said, it was not, just a brand association. I think the way we met, you're seeing a family sitting here and how, like they said, they were just destined to do this, and me coming into the picture. Even our first meeting, I was like a family meeting, discussing it, taking me through the work they do, the whole factory. And yet to go to Indore, I wanted to see it because they had, showed me all the visuals, and I was so intrigued and impressed that the kind of work they were putting into everything that Kimerica has to offer. I think it's going to take this whole industry to another level.
We hope so too. We really hope so. And also, I want to add something that it is very, as you said, beautiful to see a family coming together and really pushing a brand forward. Because there are many entrepreneurs today who are single-handedly doing stuff, trying to establish a brand. But an entire family coming together and kind of being the force behind Kimerica, that is, I think, a unique. Would you have any questions to ask Kiara?
I think they know.
Yes. But maybe now, today after the session, I would like to ask you something. If we have to create something special, exclusive Kiara edition, what would be that fragrance? What would be those notes that you would like to have as Kiara's personal favorite fragrance exclusive?
My goodness,
Now
too
that
many surprises.
Mohit
in
has
one.
asked me this question, I think we should create something and then share it with
Yes,
the audience
okay.
instead of giving
That's
away.
very good answer.
So let's do that.
So guys, today we are with exclusive Kiara range, which is kind of very exciting. So that's great. And Kiara, if I may ask, on behalf of all the girls and guys too, what is your go-to self-care routine which you cannot do without? Like any two things.
See, when I bought my first home, it's my only home I bought. But when I bought my first home, I said I have to have a bathtub. And at the same time, I had just signed with Kimerica and come on board. And the bath salts that they had was the most indulgent experience that I think it was my it was even my pre-viva experience, just like immerse myself in a hot tub with all the lovely shower gels and those bath salts and just have a wonderful evening. So I think for me, like just that whole process of having a hot shower with a great moisturizer and some great, wonderful products with me from the range does the trick for me.
I think this is one hinge.
I'm
Bath
sure everyone
salts.
showers, so this is what you need in your shower. It's the one thing we all do, but I think this makes it a more luxurious experience.
So cheers to that. Anything else? Any other
No,
questions you
I
have?
just would like to add a few things here. Mohit and I, when we are really honored to have her as our brand ambassador and looking forward for making great collections.
Wonderful. Cheers to that. Thank you so much, everybody. I had a lovely interactive session with all of you. And now, may I please request you all to pose for a group picture? Big smiles. Wonderful.
The look here.
Beautiful frame.
Bye bye,